when I was thinking about coming here, it was very scary. I didn't know what to expect. Coming to a whole nother country that I had no idea what to expect when I came here was very unnerving for me. I heard about Arkana through someone that had come here, and I didn't know anything about what I would experience. So what he expressed to me was that it seemed like I needed to go based on the things that we were discussing in a group session. So I don't know, something in me said go. I was still very nervous, wondering what to expect. How's the food? All kinds of things were going through my mind, like daily, like all day long. And I got to the point where I just said, relax, when I get there, I'll get there and I'll experience it. So some kind of extraordinary things were happening to me, and I needed to search and find what was going on with me, what was the universe trying to express to me. So I came, and the experience was nothing like what I expected. Of course I did research, and it was nothing like what I expected. It was much more profound. I am forever changed. I know who I am. I know why I came to Earth. I know what I'm supposed to do. I feel very confident in the next path in my life, whereas before this I always felt like lost, like I didn't have a thing. I literally used to say that I want to find my thing. I was good at many things, but I knew that they were not that thing. And coming here helped me find that thing. And there's no other feeling like this in the world, when you know why you're here. Ayahuasca is hard work. It's a lot of work, but if you're searching, then this is definitely what you need to do. You need to give it a try. Again, I can't express the love here, how much I've grown just in a short couple of weeks, how much more confident in myself I am. I'm grounded, and I know where I'm headed, and it feels really good. So this place is magical. It's the best way I can describe it. So if you're lost and you're searching, you're probably experiencing this for a reason. You've probably reached the right place. So I would definitely give it a try, because I'm forever changed. And that means that I can change other people. That means I can give back. The wounds that I came here with are healed. I'm so filled with love and excitement for life that I don't think I ever really had. Like, I was that definite fake it until you make it person, and I don't have to fake it anymore. So I give thanks to ayahuasca for that, and all the wonderful people here. The food is amazing. The food is really, really good. So I'm new to eating vegetarian, and I was kind of quite bitter about it when I came here, but I've been changed in that too. Like, the food was so good, it made me feel excitement to explore new foods to eat that would nourish my body on my path, and learning how important that is. So there's a ton more reasons why I could give for why this place is so amazing. And if you're looking and searching for, anything in your life, clarity, healing, whatever it may be, there's a million reasons why I could give. I could probably talk forever because I'm like the poster child for this place. But just come and experience it. It's pretty awesome.